What if I told you that one Gmail account can actually behave like dozens of different email addresses without creating anything new? You can organize your inbox, protect your privacy, and even track spam using Gmail features that most people do not know exist. Watch until the end because I will show you how to send email from these addresses so you can reply from any alias. Before we begin, let's understand one key concept. In every email address, everything before the @ symbol is called a local address. So in this email, ashanafitest@gmail.com, ashanafitest is the local address and gmail.com is the domain. Two of the Gmail tricks in this video work by manipulating the local address and one work by using an alternative Gmail domain. The first trick uses the plus sign and this is the most practical one. You can add a plus sign and keyword after your local address like this, ashanafitest plus bank@gmail.com. Gmail ignores everything after the plus sign and still delivers the email to your mail inbox. But the keyword after the plus is recognized by Gmail, which make it extremely easy. For example, when signing up for banking websites, use plusbank@gmail.com. For job applications, use plusjob at your gmail.com. You can create filters to automatically label, archives, or prioritize those emails. This also helps with privacy. If you start receiving spam sent to ashanafitest+news@gmail.com, you immediately know which website shared your email address. The second trick uses dots in the local address. Dots are completely ignored by Gmail, so thus all go to the same inbox. This is useful when a website says your email address is already taken or when you want your email to look more readable. The third trick uses an alternative Gmail domain. For most users, @gmail.com and googlemail.com both deliver email to the same inbox. This is helpful when a website blocks the plus sign. You can even combine all the three tricks, still the same inbox. Receiving emails works automatically, but to send emails from these addresses, here is what you do. Click the gear icon, then click See All Settings. Open account and import. Under send mail as click add another email address. Add ashanafitest as googlemail.com. Under when replying to message, change always reply from default address to reply from the same address the message was sent to. Now you can reply from any alias. Only the tricks work in Gmail. The tricks do not work the same way in Outlook, Yahoo, or most corporate email systems. Instead of filtering by sender, filter emails by the true address. Even if the sender changes, your organization stays intact. By understanding your local address and how Gmail treats it, you can turn one Gmail account into a powerful system for organization, privacy, and spam control, completely free. Most people use Gmail every day, but very few use it like this. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. And comment below if you have ever used these features before and tell me how you discovered them and how you use them. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.